Hello, everyone. My name is Michael, and if you've been struggling with oral health issues like cavities, gum sensitivity, or bad breath, then let me share something that truly changed the game for me. It's called Prodentim. Prodentim is an advanced oral probiotic supplement that's getting a lot of attention and for good reason. It doesn't just mask oral problems, it addresses the root cause. Whether it's a lack of good bacteria in your mouth, tartar buildup, weak enamel, or inflammation, Prodentim works from within to restore balance and health to your entire mouth. So, what makes Prodentim so different? It comes in a soft, chewable tablet and contains 3.5 billion probiotic strains. You'll find powerful and clinically tested ingredients like Lactobacillus Paracasei, B-lactis BLO4, BLIS K-12, and BLIS M-18, along with refreshing natural flavors like peppermint and spearmint to keep your breath fresh throughout the day. These good bacteria help rebuild your oral microbiome, eliminating harmful bacteria that are responsible for cavities, bad breath, gum disease, and even tooth sensitivity. It's really as simple as chewing one tablet every morning, and over time, it works to protect and strengthen your teeth and gums naturally. I personally started noticing results after just a few weeks. My gums felt healthier, my breath fresher, and even my tooth sensitivity went down. The added bonus? I also experienced fewer headaches and sinus pressure, which I later found out can be linked to oral issues. But Prodentim doesn't stop there. The carefully selected probiotics also support gut health and boost your immune system. It helps flush out toxins and heavy metals that might be affecting your oral health and overall wellness. It's truly a full-body approach starting right from your mouth. Another thing I love is how safe and natural Prodentim is. It's free from stimulants, chemicals, and GMOs, and it's suitable for anyone over 18. Whether you're a young adult or a senior dealing with age-related dental concerns, this supplement can provide the care your mouth needs. Right now, Prodentim is available at a special discount on its official website. You can get a single bottle for $69 or save more by choosing the 3-bottle package at $59 each or the 6-bottle option for just $49 each. Plus, you'll receive 2 free bonuses when you go for the larger packs, including a detox guide for bad breath and a step-by-step method for whitening your teeth naturally at home. Oh, and don't worry, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not happy with the results, you can get a full refund. It's completely risk-free. So if you're ready to take control of your dental health without spending a fortune at the dentist, click the official link in the description below and try Prodentim today. Thousands have already experienced the transformation, and you can too. Thanks for watching. Here's to a healthier mouth, a brighter smile, and feeling confident every day.